Hi guys, today I'm talking about the literal basic steps you can take to start selling on Amazon and start that side hustle, that secondary income stream that you want for yourself. It's the weekend. You can literally just use these steps and the information I'm telling you in this video and find your first product to sell on Amazon. Let's go. Hi guys, I'm Farah. Welcome to my channel. We talk about building business on Amazon on this channel. If you're interested in that, then please do hit subscribe. So I'm scanning the retailers with my Source Mogul and I have compiled a list of great leads which will earn you some level of profit. I have put that together in a spreadsheet. Link will be in the description below. Make sure you download it. So after watching this video, this is what you need to do step by step. You need to look up the item that I have listed in the spreadsheet. Look it up, find the best price for it on the internet. There is a list of suggested retailers in the spreadsheet. If you don't want to look elsewhere, you can just use that. And then what you want to do is find the best price, have the stock delivered, or use the click and collect service and go pick it up and bring the stock home and list it on Amazon. Just go for it. So I'm assuming you've already started your Amazon account because I did a whole video on that last week. I will link it in the cards above and in the description below, but obviously I'm assuming you have an Amazon account and you are able to list products on Amazon. So that's a prerequisite for this. And the reason for this video, for me putting out this information for you, is that you need to start selling something, practice and get a feel of things. The reason you should start selling other brands and products, which we are calling arbitrage in this video, is that there are no advertising costs to the seller, to you. There is some level of demand already there for these products, so you don't need to pay extra to Amazon to advertise and get in front of the customer. The demand is already there. Selling on Amazon, especially for small brands and private label, is harder now because of this very reason. There's a big percentage of your retail price that goes to Amazon in advertising spend. It's a cost that is very hard to control. That's why doing arbitrage in the beginning is worth the trouble, in my opinion. I'm not going to go into detail of how I found these products and the full detailed tutorial because I've already done that in this video. So you want to click the link above in the cards or in the description below and go watch this video, and even those deals in that video are still valid. I checked, so I've only had like about 200-300 views on that video, so not a lot of people have seen it. So you want to use the products in this video and that video and go try your luck. So here's a gift of free research done for you, deals for you. You can use it to start selling something on Amazon. Just find one item. If that's all you can afford to do, just start selling something on Amazon and just get a feel of things and see if you like doing this thing and see if you can actually make some money. Make sure you do download the spreadsheet from the link in the description. A new tool that I have used is the FBA Multitool. You can get a discount by using my link in the description below. There's a free 24-hour trial on this Chrome extension. You can use it with your account and run it and, run all the ASINs and see which one you are allowed to sell on Amazon without too much trouble. If it's just a small email that you need to send them to ungate you on that category, do it. But just run all the ASINs and see which item you're allowed to sell. And I really do hope you find something to sell from this list that I'm giving you guys.
So here's a Source Mogul, and these are all the searches that I ran. As you can see, it's the completed searches. These are all the different retailers I ran the search for, and I tediously went through the catalog all day yesterday because I wasn't prepared to do a video this week, and I just found this easier, just looking, and I thought, well, I might as well just share this. Here's a wish list of all the products that I've saved, and you will be able to download this from the link in the description. And this is what the sheet will look like. But I've highlighted the important, the columns that are useful, and you'll be able to find it in the spreadsheet. I just wanted to show you this new tool that I found, FBA Multitool. So it's quite nifty. It tells you if you're eligible to sell it, this product. So obviously you will have to be signed into your Amazon account, and then this will just tell you automatically that are you eligible to sell or not, and whether there are hazmat or dangerous good requirements on this, whatever product you run this on. And then it tells you the sales rank. And interesting thing is the sales data it shows you. So it tells you the stock level of other sellers. So there's one FBA, one FBM seller, and that's their stock level. Also, you can use this to calculate FBA fees. So this is quite accurate. If you put in the cost price, so for example, if this kettle I was buying for £30 and you calculate the profit, it updates for FBA. This will be my FBA fees, and my profit will be £4.80 per unit, and this will be the profit margin 10%. And if for example this kettle is available in different colors, so this variation viewer gives you the sales data of last 30 days. So black, 5 of them have sold, white, 2 of them have sold in the last 30 days, and the red ones, 3 of them have sold. So it's quite interesting, and it tells you like the percentage of the reviews and all interesting data. So I think this tool is like quite handy, especially this bit where it tells you that whether you'll be eligible to sell it or not. As soon as you open the page, it tells you this. I used it with Source Mogul in this while I was researching for this video, and I find it quite nifty that I didn't have to go separately to add product feature in my Seller Central and add the ASIN and manually look. This is the quick automatic way of doing it, and it just tells you if you're eligible to sell it or not, and it just makes the research process a little bit faster.
People run Facebook groups where they get virtual assistants to go through these catalogs and do all the tedious work of finding deals. And they post these deals in the Facebook groups to their members. And usually it's sort of like a paid membership group where you can get access to these deals. But I'm sharing these deals with you guys because I have 400 subscribers, which is quite insane to me, because it's like I have the ears of 400 people, and I want to get you guys to take some action and give me some feedback if you are actually using the information that I'm putting out there. So it's going to give me some feedback and motivate me to actually create more content that will help you get started on your Amazon business journey. So make sure you hit the subscribe button and hit the like button so I know that you're finding this content useful. Ideally, as a new account holder, you should just dispatch these items yourself. But if you don't want to do this and you want an FBA and you want to have the Prime badge on your account, because that's usually a deciding factor with most buyers on Amazon, then you will have to do FBA, and for that you will have to prepare a little shipment and send it to Amazon through your account. So you'll have to send in at least a handful of units, like 6-7 units to Amazon warehouse, and hopefully in a few weeks they would sell, and you'll be able to see if you can work this thing out. Pricing and the profit calculation in the spreadsheet is based on FBA anyway. So if you do dispatch the orders yourself, you will make a little bit more money. But if you are going to use FBA, there is high chances you will make at least whatever is said in the spreadsheet. Sales figures are included in the spreadsheet, but if you want to see for yourself, you can use either Jungle Scout or Helium 10. Helium 10 has a free trial as well. So you want to use either of those apps to run the sales figure for yourself and see for yourself how it goes. But be nice, use my links, all right? So I hope you're going to use this information, but seriously guys, you have to learn to walk before you can run. Building a business on Amazon is a marathon, not a sprint. You will get better with practice. Maybe you can do arbitrage selling for a couple of months, save some money from the profits you make and reinvest that into your first private label product. Running your own business, working for yourself, is basically an exercise in problem solving. Google is your friend, figure things out. Drop a comment below and let me know if you're going to try this thing out, and email me if you're going to try this and give this a shot. And that's all from me today. I will see you guys next week. Bye.